One of the missions we have here at Roofing Insights is to connect homeowners to the best contractors we possibly can. We have a lot of good contractors in our network. So in this video, I wanted to shout out to one of the good friends of mine, friends of Roofing Insights, Nick Spost out of Dallas. I've seen some disturbing reports in the last couple of days. Pictures look devastating. Hope everybody's okay. Guys like Nick gives good name to storm chasers, because he really takes care of his customers. We spent a couple days with him in Corpus Christi, and just how he operated, how he treats his employees, his customers, what he's all about. He made really big impression on me. If you live in Dallas and you got affected by catastrophe, I highly recommend you call Alliance Construction. We're not getting paid to make this kind of videos. Like I said, we just want to connect good people with a good contractor. Nick is one of them. If he cannot do the job, you can contact us and we'll hook you up with somebody else in the area. We know a lot of good guys in Texas, but Nick, he is a catastrophe master. He knows how to restore properties. And when I was in Corpus Christi with him, I mean, it was disaster for everybody, including for contractors. Labor shortage, material shortage, you work long hour days. I mean, those guys are true heroes, and not everybody can do it, like leave your family and go help somebody else like that. Yes, we do it for the money. Yes, it's our business, sometimes even business model, but it takes a state of mind to work in a catastrophe. It takes a state of mind to deal with the insurance company who's denying you. You have to be fighter mentally, you have to be fighter physically, you have to push through a lot. Companies like Alliance Services, they stand above the rest of them, because there's a lot of guys in the business who are there just for the money, who are there just for easy money, easier money, just for insurance claim, just for the wrong reasons, I would say. There are also guys who are really trying to make it right, who are really trying to help. It's not just for advertising, it's not just because it sounds cool, it's because what we do. So if you guys in Dallas need help, let us know. Maybe call Nick, and hope everybody's safe.